Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 24th of April. I'm James Spann. Rain on the way out, colder air on the way in. Let's check some of the Skycam shots. Been kind of a cloudy day with a little rain, not too much as expected as April systems go. This is kind of a weenie of a system. That's our Birmingham Skycam looking north from the Daniel building. It's cloudy. Still some light rain falling, but the rain is pretty much ending as we do this. But boy, up north, it's turning cold. That's the Coleman Skycam. They're sitting at 50 degrees. That's 25 below average for this time of the year. And way down south, that's our Gulf Shore Skycam. Had some severe weather around New Orleans earlier today, but those storms are passing well offshore, and no severe weather is expected on Alabama's Gulf Coast. Big trough pushing a cold front through. And in the wake of that, we've got a sharp change to colder weather. And on the front, a little band of showers passing through Alabama as expected. Nothing really heavy. In fact, I don't think we've had any thunder over the northern half of the state today. And rain amounts for a lot of places it's going to be under 1/10 of an inch. Certainly not a big rain event. But, ooh, look at the cold air coming in here. Haleyville, 47. That's approaching 30 degrees below average. We ought to be well up in the 70s, like 77 or so this time of the year. Down this way on the other side of that front, you got 70s at Montgomery and Auburn. And for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden, temperatures will be falling quickly as I record this and produce this update. By the time you watch it, it will be much colder in those cities. We've got freeze warnings up for parts of Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky for tonight, early tomorrow morning. Wow. And we'll probably see some 30s in the colder pockets around here with a touch of frost in spots. And all those counties out in Texas in that yellowish color, that is a child abduction emergency, basically an Amber Alert, not weather-related. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A couple of slight risks, one over the southeastern tip of Louisiana and coastal Mississippi, and one over central Pennsylvania. But obviously around here, no problems. And the rain for the next 7 days. This carries us all the way through Wednesday morning of next week. And the numbers are pretty good here. And what little rain we had today counts. And again, we're getting into a showery, unsettled period Saturday, Sunday, into at least the first half of next week. And so by 7 days, we could see rain amounts of possibly 2 inches here. Let's check modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System. The 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon. Trough is on to the east, and down below that, a cool, dry, stable air mass is in place. We'll start the day around 40, and again, the colder pockets are going to go in the 30s, and there might be a touch of light frost in those colder spots, so growers beware. And we warm up with a high near 70, a bright sunny sky, very low dew points, low humidity, just great. Friday, again, we start the day in the 40s. We'll climb up into the mid-70s Friday afternoon. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, you can see that unsettled southern branch of the jet stream lining up there, and that's going to start this unsettled weather period for us. On Saturday, a batch of showers moves in. And, of course, the problem is everybody wants to know, when's the rain going to start, when's the rain going to stop, and we just don't have the skill to do that right now. We're just going to say there's a chance of rain on Saturday. I don't think it rains all day, but it could rain at any hour of the day Saturday. Could there be thunder? Yes. Severe weather? No. So again, you got some outdoor plans. Just be ready for rain at times. The high should be in the low 70s, and really the same thing Sunday. A moisture axis stays right in place, so occasional showers. Highs mid to upper 70s. Sun very hard to find, if we see any at all. Monday of next week, same deal. A moist air mass. Upper 70s, a chance of showers. Same thing on Tuesday. Maybe the showers diminish a little bit. And then Wednesday of next week, a cold front approaching from the northwest. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, the showers should be kind of scattered. But still, the chance will be there. And then let's go toward the end of next week. This is Thursday evening, the 2nd of May. And a very deep upper low shows up southeast of Minneapolis-St. Paul, between Minneapolis and Chicago. And a strong cold front comes in here with an organized batch of showers and maybe some thunder. But Again, that's not really a classic severe weather look. We'll monitor that. A lot of time to watch that. Again, that's out there toward the end of next week. And then out there on May 12th, this is Sunday, this is Sunday, May 5th. Get my dates correct here. Sunday, May 5th. The upper low is still up north, a pretty good trough down through here, and that weekend looks dry and cool. That'll be unseasonably cool. And, that's race weekend at Talladega. So at first glance, that weekend of May 4th and May 5th looks cool and dry here. And the end of the forecast, May 10th, a little moisture coming back, maybe a few showers there, but nothing too exciting if that happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget, if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for calling. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.